I'm so happy that I left my window up, or whatever's called, my shade up, so I could look outside. It's so pretty. I'll really be acting like this is a wig or something. Good morning, y'all. It is 6:15, but it's actually like 6:10, whatever. I'm gonna get in the shower, and then we're gonna get dressed because we are going into the office today. Now that it's like the day has come, I actually have a little bit more mixed feelings, but I made my decision. I'm going. Let's get it. Okay, don't laugh at me, but I actually really like this moisturizer for outside the shower. It's really good so far. Like, I've used it maybe 3 times and we like it. Time to get dressed. I'm actually kind of running behind schedule, but I think I'll be okay. So let's put on the clothes. Oh wait, but before I put my clothes on, y'all know I gotta put on my deodorant. Again, love this deodorant, and then we're gonna follow with the Aqua Bomb. All right, we're doing the black turtleneck. I honestly really love this black turtleneck. I will probably buy more of these because they're so versatile, man. Versatile. Do y'all say versatile or versatile? I switched versatile versus versatile. Good thing with the Aqua Bomb, you don't need that much, but I like to be over moisturized. Like when you put it on, I've talked about this in so many vlogs, but when you put it on, it just feels like a bomb of water. No, a bomb of hydration just hit your face. It's weird. You guys know I did my hair the week that I moved, but it's like getting old very quickly. Like I have some hair that's like sticking out, and it's literally been a week, which is weird. So I think I might redo a couple strands, depending on how I decide to wear my hair. I do my edges. Yeah, y'all can already start to see, especially on this side. This is the problem side. Now I'm kind of rushing. I'm taking the 7:40 train and it's like 6:50. I don't know exactly where I'm going, so I want to be there 15 minutes early, which means I need to be there by 7:25. So I have 20 minutes to, but I'm like finished. I'm not even doing real makeup, but I need to hurry up. Okay guys, so I told you this in my last vlog, but I'm taking my Telfar, and in all honesty, it's simply because I don't have another bag that's big enough for my laptop. In here I have my laptop, my work notebook, a pencil. I'm gonna put my wallet in here. I'm probably gonna zip my wallet up so it can be nice and safe. My work badge. My apartment key, I need to leave out some wet ones. Hopefully I can find some hand sanitizer. I'm also going to bring a portable charger, my phone charger. Okay, definitely had to grab my AirPods. I'm also bringing my mouse and some lip gloss, but I have exactly 20 minutes before the train takes off, so we gotta go. Feeling good. All right, if my edges don't lay now, they will never lay. I think they look pretty good. I use the Style Factor. And the last step is to put on my coat. I really love this coat. My mom got me this coat maybe 2 years ago. And I really didn't start wearing it until like around the time the pandemic hit. I was like, oh shoot, this coat is the truth. But yeah, this should definitely keep me warm. Right now I am hot. I have a pair of gloves. But while I'm walking, I'm gonna have to buy my ticket because I didn't buy my ticket last night. Oh, what's in here? Trash. Oh, perfect. Hand sanitizer and CarMax. Just what I needed. So, oh, laptop charger. I know that we do have ports at the desk, but you never know. And I have a Mac, so just to be sure. But okay, I have my laptop, I have my notebook, my phone charger. Got my phone charger. I put my portable charger in here. I think I may stop by Starbucks today. Somebody said that they're doing free drinks. All right, y'all, I think we are good to go. Let me grab my keys. Okay, like T-minus 15 minutes until the train leaves, so I'm out. Bye, y'all. Alright guys, getting my walk in. It's so beautiful. This has me like so hyped. Like maybe I actually will go into the office a little more often. But it's so pretty. Okay guys, I'm walking up now. Just a warning, I will not be able to bring my camera out too much while I'm inside. It looks different, but I'm pretty sure I'm at the right spot. So I'll check in with you guys later. Alright guys, you're experiencing very annoyed Ariane. My laptop is not connecting to the internet. It's like, I'm happy that I have the Mac because that's what I'm most comfortable with, but I always have problems. And it's not the Mac fault, it's like, the problem is our company, most people have HPs, and there's like a very small amount of people that have Macs. So some stuff just isn't like prioritized for Macs. I've been here for 50 minutes. And no Wi-Fi. I had to just cancel a meeting because, yeah. And I'm kind of annoyed, like, when I talked to, like, the service agent, he was useless. Literally useless. So, hopefully somebody contacts me soon. And the smart bar is not open here, which is annoying. I'll update you guys when something interesting happens. Okay guys, I do have access to internet now, so we're good in that aspect. I'm getting ready for my first meeting of the day. I did have to move a touch base with my program manager, but I pushed it for like a week and a half. But it's fine because we didn't really have anything to talk about. But I'm about to go into my 11 o'clock. I am in a conference room. And I like these conference rooms because you can take your mask off and just really work, and they're kind of soundproof. So if people are talking a little loud, you can hear, but if not, you don't hear. And it's been like really cool. It's just like some people that I've met virtually, like we've had coffee chats like over the internet, like actually seeing them in person. I think that's really, really cool. But yeah, I'm about to go into my meeting and actually start work now. I'm so happy that I got everything straightened out just in time for this, but now the work day actually begins. Okay guys, I didn't really feel comfortable like having my like phone and camera out and like recording a lot of things all throughout the office. So this is most of the clips that I got in the office. I did a lot of work. I work as a marketing specialist. So a lot of my role is campaign management. We're doing some process improvement and things like that. So I was in a couple of meetings this day, but I was actually in the office for a purpose. Basically, you guys know I'm in a rotational program, and we had like an informational / networking event. So maybe like 20 of us were there in person. So it was cool seeing people for the very first time. But yeah, so I was in meetings most of the day, and it went pretty well, like no complaints. It was kind of cool, like being in a different environment to get my work done. I don't feel like I was more productive. I feel like I actually got distracted a little bit more than I did at home, but it was still a cool experience. No complaints about that. And I don't know if I see myself doing this every day again, but for lunch, I did go out with a couple of my coworkers. I got some Mediterranean food. It was not good. And then we went to our informational / networking event. And then we went to a happy hour. It was really, really nice. And then a couple of us walked back to the train station because a couple of us took the train back to where we live. It was cool. I'm happy that I was able to walk back with a group instead of walking back by myself because it was very desolate. I probably got back, this was like 7-ish. So I would have been walking there by myself. It just kind of would have been like, I don't know. I'm just not used to like being places by myself, so happy that I was able to go with the group. But yeah, quick train ride and then I was back home. All right, y'all, I am going to get undressed, get comfortable, and then we're gonna do like I almost said a girls chat, but it's not just girls that watch my channel. Majority of y'all are girls, but we're gonna have a chat about it today. So give me a second one more time. Sorry, I'm covering my address, but I did get 2 packages. I got a Target package and a vacuum cleaner, so I'll show y'all that in a second. I gotta open the boxes so y'all can't see my address. Anyway, let us talk about my time in the office. So y'all know I left early this morning. I was at the train stop by like 7:25-ish. and it was nice and easy. It was only one stop. Yeah, so I did about a 10-minute walk to my office. It was not bad. Obviously, it was cold outside, but it wasn't brisk. Beautiful views while I was walking. I just loved that. I didn't have a podcast playing or music or anything. I just had like my instructions, like the directions playing, but it was like honestly like very relaxing. Well, to a certain extent. Like I was walking very fast, so it wasn't super relaxing, but kind of relaxing. Yeah, so then I went to the office and I really enjoyed myself. Well, y'all saw for the first 2 hours, I was pissed the entire time because my internet would not connect to my laptop. And I was really annoyed because one of the service agents that I talked to, he was like kind of dismissive, like making it seem like I was the problem. But then when I called a second time, 2 hours later, he was very, very helpful, very understanding, really, really liked him. Forgot his name, I think it was like Adam or Jake. So yeah, work was really, really good. I didn't get much done, unfortunately, because of those 2 hours. Those 2 hours were like the only free time I had during the day. For the rest of the evening, the rest of the day, I had meetings, and also like lunch. You gotta take lunch. But yeah, it was really nice. It was so nice seeing like my old intern friends, like friends I had made, just like while being virtual, and people that I hadn't met, or people that I'd seen their names and stuff like that. So it was really cool. I went to lunch with 2 of my buddies. I had some meetings and stuff, got some work done, and then we watched our town hall for our department together. And then we had like our event about one side of the business, which was actually really, really good. To be honest, I was a little nervous just because I haven't sat down and like listened to people talk in years. I haven't like during graduation, during like the commencement, I was struggling. I had to be on my phone. So I was like nervous that I was gonna get sleepy, but they were actually really engaging. I really enjoyed the leaders. Then after that, we went to like a happy hour, networking hour at this really like nice restaurant. They had a couple of different drinks. They had some appetizers and things like that. So it was nice. I was able to like talk to people that I wasn't able to talk to during the workday. I was able to network with this one person. I felt kind of bad because I never said goodbye to her. I did walk away because I got distracted and I turned and they kind of started talking about something else. So I just wanted to leave that person alone with her. And this one guy, I had a coffee chat with him earlier and I really liked his team, but at the end of the day, I decided that wasn't what I wanted to do for my second rotation. But he was really, really cool. So I wish I would have talked to him a little bit more, but I did stop by and say thank you guys so much. It was really engaging. Yeah, so after that, a couple of us walked back to the train station together. 3 of us went to one, the other 2 went to the other train station. And then I had about a 20-minute wait until my train was leaving. So I just called my mom and we just chatted about the day. Quick train ride, and then I walked back to my apartment. But yeah, then I got my packages and then I talked to my boyfriend for a little bit. And now I'm getting ready to probably like curl up on the couch, watch something. I don't really need to get in the bed early tomorrow because it's Friday and I get paid tomorrow. I'm excited. I need a payday badly. But yes, I'm about to just chill for the rest of the evening. I'm not really hungry, but I do want something. I wish I had some ice cream. So ice cream would be busting right now. Yeah, I don't have anything sweet. And I don't want to order anything sweet because I don't want to go back downstairs. Maybe I have some applesauce. That's kind of sweet. But yeah. Good day, good day, good day.